Hello everyone. Today we will study the new chapter, that is chapter 8, body movements. So what is movements? Movement is just moving your body from one place to another place, and there is a way we have a definite words for that is called locomotion. So locomotion is the ability of a human being to move from its body from one place to another is called locomotion. So the movement of a body is called locomotion. Human beings show two types of movement, like as move body parts, ठीक है, जिसमें आपको क्या करने का only mouth, hands, foot, only these parts, our whole body is going to be stable. Only like if I'm saying that jaw हमारा जो move करता है from here to there, even hands हम कब किसी को बुलाते हैं, so just our only hands are going to be moved, the whole body part is in rest form, so that is called move body parts. ठीक है, movement of whole body one place to another, that is in which we are going to our body going to be move, each our body is moving from one place to another, like whole body parts is moving. Like as when we say that running में क्या होता है, आप सभी आपकी पूरी whole body parts move करती है, so that is movement of whole body in one place to another. Now come to the skeleton. The bony frame inside our body is called skeleton. ठीक है, in human beings, ठीक है, skeleton is inside the body, so it's called endoskeleton because our body skeleton is inside of our body. We cannot see it, we just feel it, just because it is in internal side of our body, so that is called endoskeleton. We have 26 bones, ठीक है, in the human skeleton. Our skeleton has moved joints between various bones which allow the muscles to move the head, shoulder, arms, legs and other part of the body. Now description of skeleton, we can see that our body is made up of skull. ठीक है, आपको skull दिख रहा है, ये shoulders दिख रहे हैं आपके, then आपकी ये head, ये hand दिख रहे हैं, ये आपकी ribs दिख रही हैं, ये ribs, these are the ribs. ठीक है, even this is also a joining, this is the backbone, this is the hip and this is the leg. So all these things combines together gives a skeleton structure of a body. अगर मैं bones को join कर दूँ and we will get a form of structure that is called skeleton. So skull, bone, rib, breast, bone, shoulder, hip, bone, ये सारे आपको skeleton में आ जाएंगे. So the human skeleton consists of strong bone which has at top end. ठीक है, the skull has eye socket, upper jaw and lower jaw in it, rib attached. हमारी जो ribs होती है, this is the ribs, so this is the rib attached to the upper part of the backbone forming a rib cage. ठीक है, there is a breast bone called sternum in the front of the rib cage. So I can show you that this is the this one is sternum. Now at the lower end of the backbone is a wide and strong structure called hip bone. So this is your hip bone. Okay, now just below the neck there are shoulder bones on both sides of the skeleton. The shoulder bone consists of two bones, collar bones and shoulder bones. So you can see this is one is collar and this one is shoulder. So shoulder bones consist of two bones, collar bones and shoulder bones blade. The upper limb of the body from the shoulder to the hand is called arm. There are two arms attached to the shoulder blade of the skeleton by ball and socket joint. Each arm consists of three parts: upper arm, lower arm and hand. The upper legs consist of single bone called femur, and which is longest bone and the lower leg consists of two bones called टिबा एंड फिबुला. सो ये लेग्स जिसको ये अटैच्ड है, यू कैन सी, एंड दिस वन इज टिबा, एंड दिस इज fibula. Now, what is the function of skeleton system? That is, skeleton system gives shape and support to our body. Bones protect our internal organs. Major muscles are attached to the bones and help them move. Blood cells are formed in the center of many bones in the soft tissues called marrow. Calcium and phosphorus are stored in the skeleton for later use. Calcium and phosphorus makes bone hard. So from today onwards, मतलब आप कल से आपको next topic which I will go teach you skull, backbone, rib, shoulder. Thank you.